In this video, you are going to learn how to add a channel icon and also how to add a description to your YouTube channel and add links to your other social media profiles. So to get started, you want to just click on Customize Channel after you've created your channel. And then you have the option here to add your channel icon. So to add your channel icon, just click on the Edit button. You can click on Edit. And then you really want to upload your channel icon. Now for this example, I'll just upload a picture of myself here. But really you want this picture to be something that is either a close-up of your face if it's a personal channel, or the logo for your company. Now you want to keep this as simple as possible because this will be shrunk down and appear underneath your videos. So you really want to keep it simple and use the same logo that you might be using on other social media platforms as well. So once you have created your icon and added that in, then you want to come back and start to add a channel description. Now it may take 5 or 10 minutes to actually get that icon to show up, so don't worry if it doesn't show up straight away. It just takes a little bit of time to come through. And then let us have a look at the really about page. This is where we really want to add in some information about the company or your own channel. So you can see the first option here is channel description. So to click this open, you really want to write a little bit about your business here and what you're all about. Now, I know this can be a little bit hard to do, especially if you're just starting out. So one of the best things that you can do is just come into YouTube and have a look at the description of similar businesses to you. So let's have a look at this Luxy hair company. And if we come across to their about page, we can see their description here. So obviously they mention what they're about. We love hair. And so they create tutorials kind of describing what their channel is about and kind of describe what all the videos are about. So it's not just the company, but also what are the videos really about, and make it clear in the first couple of words like they've done here. What is the keyword? That could be Instagram, if you're teaching Instagram, could be digital marketing, could be law, could be whatever, real estate. So really make it clear what you're all about right from the start. And then like they've done here, this is a good idea. If you want to promote some other social channels, you can do that. So the best thing to do is really have a look at a couple of similar channels. And if you don't know who those channels are, just start to type in some of your keywords into YouTube and you're going to find their videos pretty quickly. And then you can click through to the About section. So after you've added your description, you have some other details to fill out here. You can add in an email so people can contact you directly through YouTube for business inquiries. You can go ahead and select your country there. So I'll just change this to Ireland. And then here you can also add in links to your different social media profiles or websites. So all you have to do is click add. You can really just paste the URL if you want. So for example, and if I click add here, oh, I actually do need to specify a name. I can just say website. And you can see this shows up as website, and actually underneath here, the channel art, it shows up as well. So if we look at our example, we can see they get luxury hair extensions. That's actually a smart thing to do, to show people exactly what to do, what they can get by clicking here. And then you can also see that they have links to their other social media profiles as well, which they've put in here. So now that you know how to add a channel icon and a description, email, and links to your social media profiles, go ahead and do that for yourself and use existing channels as inspiration and to help you speed up this process.